Here is the deal. You need a social post for thumbnail, Instagram post, web banner, and Facebook cover. Resizing them will take you a whole day. What's up guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on this channel, my name is Ernest. In today's video, I'm going to take you through step by step how to use Canva Magic Resize feature. Fortunately, with Canva Magic Resize feature, you can save time by creating one design magically resize with just one click. If you see value in this video after watching, consider give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notification. You can also share this video to your loved ones. It really need on this channel. Let's jump into the video. Alright, now I am on Canva homepage, so I'm going to design a YouTube thumbnail first. Then I will show you how to resize this thumbnail to Instagram post and Facebook post and other posts as well. So let's first create the YouTube thumbnail. Alright, now I think our design is perfect. So let me zoom out. Now it's time for us to use the Magic Resize. So to do that, I will then again make a copy of this original design. The reason being is that I don't want to lose this original copy if anything happen. So to make a copy, you go to your toolbar and go to File and tap on Make a Copy. So now I have two copies of my design. I have this copy and I have my original design here. So I will tap on the copy and then again go to the toolbar and type on Resize. So it will bring you this pop-up for you to customize size. If you have the dimensions, you can put them inside here. If you don't want to use that one, you can also come down here. You have desktop wallpaper, Instagram post, Facebook, Instagram post, Facebook cover, and desktop wallpaper. No, I'm going to select desktop wallpaper, Instagram post, Facebook post, and Facebook cover. Or we should make Instagram story. Okay, Instagram story. After selecting your format, you come to the bottom here and type on copy and resize, so you can see the number of format that you have 4. So So let's click on that. It will bring you this pop-up. Allow pop-up from Canva. Step 1, click on that block. Okay, so let's close this. You can see it from here. Allow and done. Alright, that was just by the way. This is one of the minor problems that you'll be facing. So anytime that you face this problem, you just go there and cancel it the same way that we cancel it. Let's continue. We will then again go to the resize and select our files again. Desktop wallpaper, Instagram post, Facebook post, and Facebook cover. No, let's select another one, Instagram story, and type on copy and resize. So now you can see it is doing its magical work. Alright, now it has finished. This is the final result. So you can see this is the Instagram story. Let's check another one. This one is Facebook post. This one too is the Instagram post. And this one too is the desktop wallpaper. And this is our original copy. So let's go back to the desktop. I think the desktop came well. Let's check the Instagram post. This is how the Instagram post look like. I'm not saying it will be perfect, but it will save you some time. Like now, you need to create your background, make the element or the text, and select the image. So now we are not going to select or do any of this again because you have all the elements on board. So it's up to you to just rearrange them to fit this Instagram post. So let me show you how you go about it. Let's check the next one. This is the Facebook cover. So we need to adjust all this. Let's go to the story. So this is the story. So let me show you how you can adjust it one by one. I'm not going to take you through all of this, but I just want to show you how you can reposition them and set them again. So let's go to the Instagram post. So now you ungroup them and arrange or adjust your picture again. So you can make it half like this, or if you want to bring the full picture, you can also do that. Then after, you select all the elements and reposition it well, so you can make it something like this. And select this one or adjust this one perfectly like this. So I think it makes sense. So this is how it will turn to. Let's check the Facebook post. The same thing. Let's ungroup them and start from here. Copy the text and the element. Let's rearrange it like this, and again arrange the picture. So I think it's good. So let's go to the next one. This is the Instagram story. So let's ungroup it and start one by one. Let's start with the image. So I think we need to make the image half. So this is the Instagram story, Facebook post, Instagram post, and this is the desktop wallpaper, and this is the original. So this is how simple you can use the Magic Resize in Canva. I hope this video will help you and you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that anytime I drop another amazing content like this, you get the chance to watch. Share this video to your loved ones. Until we meet again, peace out.